Welcome to Rosie's Pantry. Today I am cooking some curry stewing beef, just like my grandmother and my mother used to. So I would be the third generation to cook it this way. It's already washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and season it right now. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box. So just a pinch of salt, some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper, some garlic powder, that's about a teaspoon full. And later on I'm going to put a chocho and a carrot. So I am going to put some curry to taste. With the curry I don't really measure it. I just put enough, what I think is enough. But you can measure yours if you want. Back in the days, they didn't used to measure. They just used to just look at it and say, oh, it looks good. So that's what I'm doing today. It looks good. So I'm gonna put garlic, and this is 3 garlic cloves and a bit of green onions. That's all I had. You can put more green onions, but this I just had you know, a small amount. Then I'm gonna put some thyme. And now the onions, and this is 1.5 onion. A large onion and then half of a small onion. And now this is 1 tomato. Okay, then I'm gonna get in. The taste is in the seasoning, so it's best to season it and leave it in the fridge for a couple hours and to marinate, and then you'll get a better result. But if you have a busy schedule and you think, oh, what am I going to have for dinner tonight, and you wanted to do stewing beef or whatever it is, you can always season it at the same time. But if you have time, it's good to season it in advance. That way you get a better result. I love the smell of the curry. It smells so good. Okay, so, okay, I guess that's good enough. Right, so I'm gonna cover it, put it in the fridge for a couple hours, and then I'll be right back. Okay, time is up. So I have approximately 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the pot, and it's hot, ready to go. It smells really nice. Okay, I'm flipping it now on the other side. This side is more or less done, so I just flip it over. Get it ready for the next batch to go in shortly. So this is the second batch frying, and it's almost done. Okay, so now it's finished browning. This is how I'm going to brown mine. You can leave yours to brown more, but I like mine like this. I'm going to pour some water in now. So this is hot boiling water. I'm going to pour in enough to cover the meat, because stewing beef takes a little longer to cook, so I cover it with the water, and it will take about between 1 to 1.5 hours to cook. I'm not going to put the seasoning in yet until it's halfway through, so I'll be back to show you as it progresses. Okay, so we're at the halfway mark. It's boiling up nicely. Put a bit of boiling water into the seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the seasoning in now. Get it all out. Look at that. Look at the beautiful color. And it smells so nice in here. The curry, everything marinate together, smell really nice. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to put some carrots and some chocho, and I might make a few spinners. So now it's boiling nicely. Look at it. I am going to peel this chocho to put into the curry beef. This is what we call a chocho in Jamaica. Maybe you call it something else, but this is a chocho. Now that I peeled the chocho, this is what we call a heart. So I'm going to take it out. Just like that. Like I said, this is how my grandmother and my mother used to make it. The curry beef. Look at all the colors and the flavor that it's gonna give. Wish you were here with me to taste it. It is to die for. Okay, so this is the finishing touch. I'm gonna leave this to simmer down for about 15 minutes and then I'll be back to show it to you. Because this is so beautiful, I am not gonna bother with the spinners because we have enough things in it and it tastes really nice. It's very flavorful. And for those of you who do not know what I meant when I said spinners, what it is just flour and a bit of salt water, and you make it into a dough and like take off little pieces, roll it in your hand and drop them in. Yeah, like little dumplings. Okay, so this is at the end, it's cooked, and this is what you call the perfect gravy. Look at that. And you must always taste your food. The chocho picks up the flavor from the meat and the carrot and everything else. It tastes so nice. Like a beautiful gravy. Perfect. Please give me a like and let me know how you enjoyed this video. I love cooking for you, and I would like you to encourage me by letting me know if you like this recipe. Yes, my friends, this is what you call the real curry stewing beef. Flavorful, moist. Please enjoy. Share with your friends and family, and I hope to see you next time. Please remember to share with your friends and family. Subscribe, please. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this dish. It tastes really, really good. See you next time.